Sagittarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of March 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle decks. I'm also being called upon to use this deck of playing cards for messages from the universe. Please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March, we have the Queen of Pentacles. It's quite likely that you had made minor gains. Possibly there was financial transactions or banking work could have also taken up your time. Many of you may have also been dealing with females. Perhaps you may have felt as though knives were being sharpened behind your back. Some kind of betrayal was quite likely. Oftentimes, I think you may have also wanted to assert yourself. Sometimes you may have felt as though you have always had to surrender to the whims of others. Besides, you didn't want to be taken for granted. The challenges that are going to be in store for you in the month of March, we have the card Ace of Wands. There's the uprush of energy that you have to deal with in this month. Communication could also increase for many of you. Besides, there will also be opportunities on account of your acquaintances or your former clients. Nonetheless, I think you should ink the deal before, or you should take the payment before you proceed with your services. Other than that, Sagittarians, I think people will rally around you, your loved ones or your close aides, because sudden work could come up. Maybe there will also be paperwork or technical work as well which you are dealing with. There may also be travel plans or some movement is quite likely in this month. Influences for the month, we have the card Knight of Cups. Sometimes, Sagittarians, you may realize that your assumptions or the preconceived notions that you have in your head could all amount to nothing. Possibly there will also be unnecessary arguments that you have to deal with in the month of March. Ideally, I think you should keep your emotions in check because you may be a bit emotional as well. Sometimes you feel that you have to assert yourself because, like I said, that your sibling or somebody around you could always want you to give in or yield to whatever they desire. Professionally, I think you may feel overworked. You may have more on your plate. Maybe a colleague could always complain about the task, and then you could give him a piece of your mind and you could tell him that if he doesn't want to do it, then you'll carry on with the work. Positive feedback can be expected. Basically, you're somebody who is a quick worker and you act in a systematic fashion as you go on to continue the task. Many a times you'll be completing pending work. You may also be promoting yourself on the social media. Trial and error will certainly help you achieve your ends. Times a colleague may also feel that you don't show any urgency. Maybe you're not giving him the feedback from clients. He wants to hear whatever has been discussed between you and the clients. In this month, many Sagittarians may also be focusing on spiritual remedies as well. The first 10 days, we have the card Seven of Cups. Another card which flipped out was the Five of Cups. So certainly, these two cards seem to suggest that you may be a bit upset in this period. Possibly there will be choices ahead of you. But emotionally, it's not going to be your best period. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you should listen to the viewpoint of others rather than be accused of being self-centered or self-seeking. Incidentally, you will be concerned about the safety of your loved ones in this period. On the professional front, I feel that you may feel a bit bored with respect to the tasks that you are doing. Maybe you feel that your boss is not paying you well enough. Some of you may also decide to switch to another job or maybe another branch of your field. While working, meetings could be deferred or maybe your plans could be deferred as well. Nonetheless, there will be those times when your boss could understand without expressing himself that you are quite competent as a person or that you are very professional in your attitude, but then he is not going to say it to your face. Perhaps he wants to maintain his authority over you. There will also be those employees who may threaten to quit this month, so you will confront them. Basically, they are putting you under a lot of stress because of their decision making. Your boss is also someone who could want to hold meetings with the client as he wants feedback about your work, and this could put you under immense pressure. Also, while working, I think Sagittarians, you should clarify before you go ahead and point fingers at others. Maybe you should not raise your voice and tackle issues in a very diplomatic or tactful fashion. There are also going to be those interruptions which could leave you distracted. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you should be firm and carry on with the task. Sometimes you could also be rattled, as the boss could expect you to do the task right away, though you want your own space and you also want your own time. Between 11th to 20th March, we have the card 5 of Wands. I think this month you could be a bit sleep deprived as well. You may also be susceptible to ailments. Nonetheless, between 11th to 20th March, you are coming across as someone who is willing to take the initiative. Your schedule could also go for a toss in this period. Basically, you have to have a very flexible approach. And you have to adapt to the changing circumstances if you want to make any kind of headway. I think you should take heart from the fact that you will make good progress. Your family members will also put certain demands on you. Perhaps they expect you to do the needful, or they want you to oblige them. Maybe you will oblige them at a later date, and this could unnerve them a bit. In essence, they want you to oblige them immediately. Whatever it is in this period, you may also expect praise for your work, or the management could also appreciate the way you carry on with the tasks. Between 21st to 31st March, we have the card 2 of Swords. You may be in a state of indecision in this period. Possibly there are two choices ahead of you and you don't know how to act. This is also going to be a period which could be quite hectic for you. Maybe you are undecided about how to carry forth with the plans. Largely, I think Sagittarians or Archers, you're being called upon to act immediately and find solutions to the problems that may arise. Possibly you're also going to deliberate with an elder person, possibly a father figure or a male figure at work. These brainstorming sessions will definitely help you find the solutions that you're looking for. Sagittarians, you should also follow your instinct because your sixth sense could be spot on. Sometimes you will also be playing the mediator. Possibly you're going to we have the Swords card, so certainly in this period you will be using your brains to good effect. You will also put people in the place, those who take you for a ride or those who take you for granted. Basically, you also want them to be responsive to your needs when you need assistance. Incidentally, in the last few days, money could also be the bone of contention. Possibly you are going to tell someone to clear your dues. For some of you, I'm also picking up that as an employee, you may be asked to buck up or you need to pull up your socks. Maybe the management feels that you're not focused enough. Interestingly, the boss will also greenlight the idea which is yours. Maybe a colleague is trying to take credit for your ideas. Your contacts will also come into play in this period. You will use them to get your work done. Largely by the end of the month, you'll be relieved as a messy situation is resolved. You may also be paying a part of your debt in this period as your dues come in. With respect to your love life, I have the card, I'm reminded of you constantly. Certainly, Sagittarians, in case you're in separation, you're definitely longing for the person in question here. You'll definitely be somebody who will be much admired by the opposite sex. There are choices before you with respect to your love life or with respect to matters of the heart, and it is yours to make. Sometimes you may also feel a bit nostalgic because you may think that you had your chances with the opposite sex but you did not take them. Those who are crushing on someone, maybe cyber-stalking your crush in this period, I think you will also pick up those signs that the universe is sending your way. For some of you, a reconnection is quite possible on account of a health issue for someone around you. You are someone who will pay attention to the spirit guides and then you will go ahead and contact the person. Incidentally, despite making the effort to reach out to the person, you don't want to be someone who comes across as a clingy or a persuasive person. For single Sagittarians, I'm also picking up that somebody could play Cupid this month. You're definitely going to come across a person who is attracted to you. Incidentally, you may also feel the deep connection with this person, but you're not going to acknowledge it. Nonetheless, those who are romancing, I think you will plan date nights. Maybe you will read up on soulmate relationship as well. There'll be phone conversations, but you should be careful of prying eyes. Separation in a relationship could be there, or a physical distance could be there on account of one of you staying afar, or maybe there's some kind of movement or travel on account of work. That is why you're going to miss the person. Nevertheless, you're definitely being reminded of your crush or your person constantly. Those of you who are married, maybe you will be stressing over your spouse's financial condition this month. Possibly he may have a new plan or new career path or a new venture in his mind, and you wonder what will happen in the transition phase. Some of you may also be concerned about the safety of your loved ones, because your spouse could let it out that there are foes which are out to harm the family. Ideally, I think you should inform your spouse about your whereabouts in case you are stepping out of the home. Some of you may also accuse your partner of being inattentive. In case you are in an unhappy relationship or in an unhappy situation with respect to your love life, I think you will confide in somebody. Some of you may also feel an estrangement, or you may want to walk out of the relationship because you've had enough. Ideally, I think in case you're in an unhappy situation, then you should not put up with domestic violence. Infidelity could also be a factor here. We also have the card 5 of Clubs, which is interesting because 5 of Wands is the card which did come up in your reading. Certainly, Sagittarians, you'll be the center of attention. Again, you'll have to have a flexible approach, and you need to promote yourself in case you want to make those gains. We also have the card Queen of Diamonds. This was the card which came up towards the final days of February, stepping into March. That's what I said. And again, we have the Queen of Pentacles. So these cards seem to corroborate what has been said earlier. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you will make gains, like I said, but then you should also be careful because there could be some kind of betrayal from colleagues or people around you. Let's just wrap up this reading with some messages from Spirit. We have the card Strength. Everything you've experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous. So certainly, Sagittarians, there are lessons that you have learned along the way in this month or as well as in life, but then it has made you more purposeful. It has made you more driven. Besides, it has given you clarity in your life, and it has allowed you to blossom as a person. We also have the card Career Change. You are embarking upon a career that brings you the joy and abundance you desire and deserve. I think some of you may be wanting to set sail for greener pastures. In this reading, it did come up that maybe your spouse also is talking about a new venture. So career change for somebody around you or even for you is quite likely, Sagittarians. I hope, Sagittarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.